Morning, friends. Happy Friday. And it is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler. And this is your weekly personal invitation from me to you to join me in the live show today at 12 noon, y'all. Can y'all see what's behind me? Look at all those cool flowers over there. And look what I'm holding. Today on the show, I am going to be bumping up soil blocks from the small blocker to the large blocker, tomatoes. And I'll be sharing my tip on how to get ants off of your cut flower peonies, if that's a problem for you. We'll be going through all those gorgeous, cool flowers. And y'all remember, I grow everything outside in a garden. I have no hoop and greenhouses. And so all that stuff was harvested from my garden this week. I harvested these peonies this morning. So friends, join me 12 noon Eastern time inside our app. And if you need the app, just comment app, APP right here. I'll DM you the link, or you can just go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, download it. It's totally free. And there's just a lot more fun inside the app. You can enter to get to be the winner of our giveaway. You can carry on in the conversation with all of our other viewers and listeners and friends. It's just a whole lot of fun. And then we're going to be, today is weed prevention is also, right, Susie? Isn't it the weed prevention also? And I'll be talking about how I prevent weeds, which is the secret sauce, y'all, of how we keep our place so tidy appearing. It's not that we pull weeds all the time, it's that we prevent them. And I'm talking about that today too. So friends, 12 noon Eastern time inside my phone app. Go to your phone's app store, or you can just comment app right here. And I'm telling you, now that the harvest is revving up, friends, you want to join us every Friday and see what these flowers grow into, that of all these seeds that we have, right? And sharing my insider tips. So, see you in just 40 minutes. Between now and then, I'm going to actually brush my hair, maybe put on a little lipstick, eat my lunch, and we'll all meet right back here at 12 noon for about an hour. And we will have tons of fun, and I'll be giving away a $25 store credit to one lucky live viewer. All right, friends, till we meet again, and come get my peony tip. Ciao.